Let us do a worksheet on pronouns. Now, fill in the blanks with the correct pronoun. Dash are singing a song. Is it he or is it they? Now, students, whenever we start such statements, then we should first emphasize on our verb, whether the word are is singular or plural. If the verb over here, which is are, is plural, that means it has to follow a plural subject. What is a subject? About whom we are talking about in the sentence, who is doing the action. So is he a plural subject or is they a plural subject? Because our verb over here is plural verb, so it has to follow a plural subject. So they is the correct answer. Okay, now dash is my favorite color. Now over here, students, just see what is the verb. Is it singular or plural? Now as we know, is a singular verb, so it shall be followed by it should follow a singular subject. Now she is my favorite color. No, she is a person, so it cannot be a color, cannot be she. Now it is my favorite color is the correct answer. Now third, dash are playing football. What is the verb, students? It is are. Okay, now over here are is a plural verb, so what is the subject which should be? It should be plural subject. Now is he a plural subject or they a plural subject? They is the plural subject, so they are playing football. Dash is in the garage. Now is the singular subject verb. Now what should it follow? It should follow a singular subject. Now dash is in the garage, or she is in the garage, or it is in the garage? It is in the garage, singular. Dash are learning English. Now are is a verb which is plural, so plural subject they. They are learning English. Now this is according to your subject verb agreement, which says that a singular subject is followed by a singular verb. A plural subject is followed by a plural verb. Now next, dash is his new car. Now can it be she is his new car? No, she is a person, but a car is a thing, so it is his new car. Dash are swimming in the pool. Are is a plural verb, so it will be they are swimming in the pool. Dash is wearing a blue dress. Now where is wearing a blue dress? She is wearing a blue dress because it is a thing and it cannot be dressed. Now dash are on the tree. Are is a plural verb, so they has to be the plural subject. They are on the tree. Dash is on the shelf. Now she cannot be on the shelf, so it has to be it is on the shelf. Dash are playing with toys. Now the verb here is are, which is plural, so they has to be the plural subject. They are playing with toys. Now what did you understand in this worksheet, students? That whenever any pronoun related worksheet is given to you, first you will keep in mind that you will identify the verb. Now this are called helping verbs, so don't say that there are no verbs in the sentence. Are singing, is a helping word. Are playing, are learning, are swimming, is wearing, are playing. These are all assisting the main verbs, like your sing becomes singing. So are singing is modifying the verb more. Are singing, that means are is a helping verb along with the main verb singing. Okay, are playing, main verb is play. Okay, but are playing is giving more modification to the verb are playing. Okay, so next what you have to do is, first you have identified the verb, whether it is singular or plural. Are is a plural verb, okay, and is a singular verb. Keep this in mind. Now according to subject verb agreement, always, students, a singular subject is followed by a singular verb and a plural subject is followed by a plural verb. So based on this much of tips, you have to attempt this worksheet. If you like this worksheet, students, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, students.